Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Time of eruption of teeth, temporary teeth. Central incisors, that is lower central incisors, erupt at 6 months. Upper central incisors erupt at 8 months. Upper lateral incisors will erupt at 10 months. Lower lateral incisors will erupt at 12 months. First molar erupt at 14 months. Canine will erupt at 18 months. Second molar will erupt at 24 to 30 months.
Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about